racing just is started. We have Bida 1 break quick, let us start. Pacing Dixie and on the outside ginuhit ng Tadhana. Then comes Chinggis, Pride of Laguna, while CS Best is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. Pacing Dixie takes command by the length and a half. Bida 1 in second, ginuhit ng Tadhana. Now moving upon the outside and in fourth comes Chinggis. Pride of Laguna comes next, while CS Best is still racing in last. Back to the leader with Pacing Dixie is still in control, leads by about 2 lengths. Ginuhit ng Tadhana in second, and in third comes Bida 1, Pride of Laguna. CS Best second last, while Chinggis now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We are Pacing Dixie by a length and a half. Ginuhit ng Tadhana. Moving upon the outside is Pride of Laguna as they swing for home. Pacing Dixie, ginuhit ng Tadhana. Pride of Laguna rushing upon the outside. Last 100 meters we have ginuhit ng Tadhana. Pride of Laguna moves up, and finally Pride of Laguna ginuhit ng Tadhana. Pacing Dixie, Bida 1.
Alright, top choice, number 5, Pride of Laguna, crossing the wire first, ridden by Jenjen Huko. Masisigunding 4, ginuhit ng Tadhana, Pacing Dixie, then Bida 1. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 4.